What can happen to your body when you consume turmeric? Turmeric is a plant formerly found in Southeast Asia. It is grown in India. It is used as a culinary spice in traditional medicine. Turmeric has a natural anti-inflammatory compound called curcuminoids that has potent biological antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric. This compound makes up 5% of the spice. The yellow coloring of turmeric is due to curcumin. Due to curcumin active anti-inflammatory, it can be used to treat rheumatoid arthritis. Because of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds found in turmeric, it can help to alleviate pain that comes from spicy foods, alcohol, processed food, or lack of exercise. Because of turmeric antibacterial and high antioxidant properties, it can also help to reduce symptoms of cold and flu. A recipe you could try at home consists of ginger, turmeric, honey, garlic, and orange peel. It can make a fighting combination to a healthy immune system and can reduce the chances of catching a cold. There are 2 ways you can consume turmeric powder. You could either have it as a beverage or you could add it into your meal. There's another recipe that you can make right at home, and that is more for pain. Drinking tea is the best way to treat your body. As a tea, you can purchase turmeric powder to make your own turmeric teas. Boil some hot water. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. As a trace of sweetener, add 1.5 tablespoons of honey. As a spice, you can use turmeric powder in curry chickens, salads, smoothies, and sauce. When doing so, add a pinch of black pepper for easy absorption. Besides turmeric being used as a treatment for pain, for hundreds of years, people all over the world have associated turmeric to cosmetic benefit. Turmeric is known to reduce acne scarring. You could use a turmeric-infused face mask, and all the ingredients may just be in your home. There is a face mask recipe you could do at home, and all you need is 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon organic apple cider vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon of organic honey, 1 teaspoon of milk or yogurt. Any will work fine. Having trouble with dull skin? Try out a turmeric face scrub. All you need is a ½ teaspoon ground turmeric, 3 teaspoons almond milk, and 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Hey loves, hey! Thank you for tuning in to RL's TV. Please like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any other experiment with turmeric. And also, please be on the lookout for another spice that I would love to share with you guys that y'all could use for so many beneficial recipes. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.